In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. First, let's get comfortable navigating around the Zoho interface. Once you're logged in, you'll see a sidebar on the left. This is where you can access all the key functions and features Zoho Books offers. For our task, you'll want to click on the Accountant tab situated conveniently here in this sidebar. This section houses everything related to accounting, from reconciliations to other advanced financial activities. After entering the Accountant section, look for an option labeled Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a list where all your ledger accounts are listed systematically, making it easy for you to manage your finances. Once you're there, it's time to add a new account, and you can do this by selecting the plus New Account button. You'll find this button at the top right corner, so it should be pretty easy to locate. Clicking on this button will bring up a form, and this is where you'll enter the details for your new ledger account. Now, let's walk through filling out the New Account form. First, you'll need to provide the account name. This is essentially the name you'll use to identify this account. For instance, if you're setting up an account for assets like laptops, you might use a name such as Fixed Assets, Laptops. Next up is selecting the account type. Here, you'll choose from various categories like asset, liability, income, expense, or equity. Picking the right category is crucial since it determines how this account fits into your overall financial picture. There's also a space for an account code. While this field is optional, using it can help you internally reference and manage accounts more easily, especially as your ledger grows in complexity. Below that, there's a description field. This is another optional area where you can add any additional details about the account that might be useful. Adding a description can be beneficial, especially if you have multiple people managing accounts or if an account's purpose isn't immediately clear from its name alone. Before you save all the information, there's an additional option you might find handy. If you'd like to monitor this account more closely, you can choose to add it to your watch list. To do this, simply check the box that says Add to Watch List on my dashboard. Opting for this means the account will appear on your main dashboard for easy tracking, giving you quick access to essential data for better financial decision-making. Once you've filled out all the necessary details and made your selections, go ahead and click Save. With that, your new ledger account is created and ready to be used. Getting accustomed to using ledgers in Zoho Books will certainly enhance your financial management, streamlining your accounting processes significantly.